to what degree is the child open to receiving help?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because if they're not, it's very difficult. Now, if you can have a conversation saying, look, I see that you're suffering, you're having a hard time. Are you interested in getting some help? If that door opens, then there's a whole lot you can do. Until that door does open, you have to just be there and not coerce the child or try to push them or cajole them into receiving help that they're not ready to accept.
Yeah.
And you got to be very patient and handle your own frustration. Handle your frustration, handle your anxiety. Don't project it on the child.
Yeah.
Issue an invitation. Come alongside the child and see what they're ready for. And if they're not ready for it, there's an expression: you can lead the horse to water, but you can't make them drink. Here's the
Yeah.
bad news: you can't even lead the horse to water. Okay,
Yeah.
just be
Yeah.
patient and tolerant, and you're gonna have to tolerate your child's suffering.
Yeah. And I think too that some of that is kids pick up so much without knowing that they're sensing things from us. And that I like what you said about managing your own anxiety. When we're anxious about our children, at times we can actually in it unconsciously make them the means by which we're going to feel better. So we try and manage their not only their behavior, but their happiness, their depression, their anxiety, their angst by trying to cheer them up or by not, again, just being present with the what is about them. And the more we manage our own distress around their distress, I think they can sense, oh, you may be sturdy enough for me to tell you more about what's really going on or show you more about what I'm really struggling with.
Exactly, and believe me, when I say I've made every mistake in the book, I've made every mistake in my own books.
Me too. Me too.
So
Totally.
we know whereof we speak, as they say.
Yeah, but it's a very humbling path to walk, have people, yeah. But it's a joyous one. It's a beautiful one because it does make people can change. And this is the good news.